Model, 1993 Renault Trafic Spares OR Repairs Collectible Soon Camper Original Fittings Bedding Area. Body, Beige, Motorhome. Mileage, 105,346. MOT, 19 August 2024. Engine, 2068 cc. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 2 former keepers, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.